Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha Sultana, your go to guide for all updates related to competitive exams, academic tips, and more. So, today we will be discussing a very important update regarding the Karnataka State Eligibility Test for 2024 and Raichur University Assistant Professor Recruitment 2024. Specifically, we will go through the revised answer keys for paper 1, that is general paper, which is common for all the aspirants of KSET. So, if you have appeared for KSET this year, you will definitely want to watch this video till the end, because we are going to break down all the key points about the revised answers, answer keys, how objections were handled, and what's the next in the process. So before I begin my video, I would like to say if you're new here, then please make sure to subscribe and like the video and comment below if you have any queries regarding this video. So let me start reading this notification. Parishkruta, Parishkruta. So subject is a general paper. So I will read this notification. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಅರ್ಹತಾ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಕೆಸೆಟ್ 2024 ಮತ್ತು ರಾಯಚೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ 2024 ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ 2ರ ಕೀ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೆಇಎ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ 26/11/2024ರಂದು ಪ್ರಕಟಿಸಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಕಟಿಸಿರುವ ಕೀ ಉತ್ತರಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಣೆಗಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ 29/11/2024 ಸಂಜೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಯ ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಕಾಲಾವಕಾಶ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಂತೆ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ಸ್ವೀಕೃತಗೊಂಡ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಷಯ ತಜ್ಞರು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿದ ನಂತರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಷ್ಕೃತಗೊಂಡಿರುವ ಕೀ ಉತ್ತರಗಳ ವಿವರಗಳು ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡಂತಿದೆ. So have a look at this answer key that is published on KEA website. So here, the Karnataka Examination Authority has recently released the revised answer keys for the KSET 2024 examination. So this includes both paper 1, general paper, and subject specific paper 2. So here, um, the provisional answer keys were released on November 26, as you can see in the notification on KEA website. Candidates were given the opportunity to raise objections to these keys until November 29, 2024 by 5 p.m. And subject experts reviewed the objections, analyzed the claims, and now, based on their recommendations, the revised answer keys have been published. So, what's new in the revised answer keys? That is the question. So in general paper 1, several questions in the initial answer key have been revised after objections were validated. For example, some ambiguous options have now been corrected, ensuring accuracy in evaluation. So specific paper 2, similar revisions have been made for individual subjects. So this process uh, yeah, ensures that the most accurate and fair assessment criteria are applied. So if you are curious to see how your subject's key has been revised, head over to the official KEA website or check out my other videos which I have published on my channel recently. And how to check the revised answer keys? Visit the official website, that is kea.kar.nic.in. Look for the notification labeled KSET 2024 revised answer key and click on the link to download the PDF for both paper 1 and your specific paper 2, and cross check your answers and calculate your expected score using the updated keys. Now that the revised key answers are out, the next step will be the announcement of results. Okay, based on the revised keys, KEA will evaluate the candidates paper, release the results shortly. So here is the ಸೂಚನೆ. I will read it. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಿತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಷಯ ತಜ್ಞರಿಂದ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳ ಪರಿಷ್ಕೃತ ಕೀ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಕಟಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಉಳಿದ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಿತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳ ಕೀ ಉತ್ತರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Keep an eye on the official website or stay tuned to my channel, where I will provide you with the latest updates as soon as the results are announced. And the revised answer keys for KSET 2024 are now live. If you haven't checked them yet, do it today to calculate your score, and don't forget to stay patient as the final results will follow soon. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below if you have any questions regarding your results. So I'm always here to help. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you won't miss any updates. Thank you.